So here is the progress on the Beetle that I'm painting for my buddy's 16-year-old daughter that's about to start driving. Before all you painters in the comments get on me, this is for a 16-year-old. That is why we did not take the lights and the mirrors and the moldings and all the bullshit off, because 9 times out of 10 this car is going to end up wrecked and being repainted again in the near future pretty quickly. Again, 16-year-old driver. Besides that, we got it all prepped, sanded out a lot of scratches, filled all the chips, little rock chips and stuff, with some combi. Did a couple repairs on the bumpers, and now I'm about to get it wiped down and taped up for paint, and I will give you guys updates. Got it all taped, ready to spray. Gonna wipe it down, some pre-clean, and then apply some sealer and a red single stage, and we'll let you guys see the results. If you guys are doing a lot of DIY stuff at home, single stage really is the way to go. Really easy to mix and pretty easy to spray. Just trying to seal most of the feather edges. Using a Limco Tornado Red single stage. Like I said, if you're doing stuff at home, just DIY projects, the single stage is essentially the easiest and cheapest way to go to get a really nice paint job for inexpensive. Go, all finished with single stage.
said, it's the best, easiest way to get a inexpensive shiny paint job. And here's the finished product. Again, this was just some Limco single stage. We did do a few heavy coats. Nice deep shine. Really not bad.